What's up guys? So in this video, we're going to be talking about the 2023 series SecretLab Titan Evo gaming chair. This is the soft weave version of the chair, by the way, in the color cookies and cream. I got it in the XL size, and we're going to go ahead and talk about sizing a little bit later in this video and why I picked this specific size. Let's start with some of the features of the chair. So on both sides, you actually have customizable lumbar support knobs on the left and the right side of the chair. The comfort when I first unboxed this chair and I sat in it for the first time, it was alright. It was nothing special, but that was because it was really stiff when I first unboxed it. Give it a few weeks and it will start to get more comfortable over time. That was my experience, and now I actually quite like how it feels. As far as the quality of the build, I find it really high quality. The stitching is decent. It's nothing to write home about. It's not fantastic, but it's good. It's above average. They do have some subtle badging kind of all over the chair, just showing which model you have. And like I said, this one is the 2023 model. One of my favorite parts about this chair is that it actually comes with a super comfortable magnetic neck pillow. Speaking of magnets, the armrests covers that go over the armrests are also magnetic in case you want to swap them out for other ones for more customizability. So yeah, pretty cool. The magnets are actually very strong as well. You just throw it on like this. Here we go. Check me out. Boom. And it plops on. Super easy. Something cool I like about the armrests is there's a dedicated button on the inside where you can angle the armrests out if you kind of sit that way, and you can also angle them back straight and angle them in, which is pretty cool. I'm more of the in-angled person, but yes, I found that very convenient. Also, there is another button in the middle which you can kind of push the armrest out or in depending on the width of your reach. And then on the outside here, you got another one to adjust the height. It gets pretty low, but the cool part is it actually goes surprisingly really high as well. So that is the height adjustable. Now, I've been watching some reviews about some creaking when you kind of spin this chair around when you're sitting in it. Luckily for me, I don't experience any of that. My chair is completely silent. Now, I'm 5'8", and when I sit, my feet do not touch the ground. So you would probably ask, why on earth did he pick the XL size for his chair? It's because I like to sit crisscrossed, and I like to lay in my chairs a lot. Sometimes I even sleep in my chairs a lot, so the XL size gives me more than enough room to have a lot of different poses. The soft weave fabric material actually is also very good. It's extremely soft. The reason why I picked this one is because I live in a very hot place, and it tends to get really warm, and leather doesn't really do well in those situations. Getting out of a hot and sticky leather chair at the end of the day just doesn't do it for me. So yeah, that is my quick overview and review of the SecretLab Evo Titan 2023 series. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and just post them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. All things considered, I would give this chair a solid 7 out of 10. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys for the next one. See you soon.